Hi, lovely souls. Hoping and wishing that you all are doing well. And just we start this precious week as a Thanksgiving week, starting the holidays. So I hope you all enjoy it. For those that do celebrate the Thanksgiving, I'm here at the lake. So let's take a view of the lake. See, look. They have done their landing. See it? Look at the other ones flying. Look, here they come. Look at these. Beautiful. Look. Yes, indeed. Look how beautiful. I hope you're taking a good look at this. This is so lovely. The weather is beautiful today. Very beautiful out here in the springs. See if they'll go to the water. There we go. Check out the mountains. See the mountains? But it's a very beautiful day. They got music playing somewhere down there. See them little ducks at the end of the lake. Flying ducks. This is beautiful. See them going like towards the mountain also? It's very lovely. You know, when I first got here, I pulled 2 cards, and the 2 cards, one of them was the nine of cups. The other one was the Ace of Wands, which indicates that we are having a new beginning, and we also in a new season, which is a season of Sagittarius, which, if I'm not mistaken, started last night at 8 p.m. And we're going to have a new beginning. Many of us will be having our wish fulfillment completed. So whatever plans you have for the coming year, go for it. That it will be accomplished. And always keep believing in yourself. And push forward always. Many blessings for y'all. Y'all have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.